here. Oh, I'm not a big bettor. $3. Sky's the limit. That horse ran like a New Yorker, driving down the thoroughfare, in and out, and then straight along the rail. It was just breathless to watch him. He just kept going. Nobody was going to get in his way. And even at the next race, oh, what, he was terrific. They boxed him in. He would have won that one for sure. He's going to win today. If not, I will eat this paper.
I don't know, but I'm looking good, I know that.